Laundry chutes can transform small, multi-level homes by moving laundry to a central area and cutting down on trips and clutter. Start by choosing the right type of chute for your space and workflow. A hinged laundry drop in an upper floor closet is compact and lets you drop clothes directly into a lined hamper in the space below. Install a snug lid and a catch lip so items do not snag the frame and so the hamper stays aligned. For homes where cutting a full shaft is not possible, consider a manual rope and bucket style closed chute that uses a sealed liner and pulley to lower laundry into a basement or laundry room. Use a smooth bore pipe and a soft closing pulley to prevent jams and reduce noise. An integrated chute to the basement works best when you maintain a straight run with gentle curves only where necessary and add access panels at bends for clearing lint. Soft-sided hamper docking stations in the receiving room let you remove and wash the liner without handling an open shaft. Choose a water-resistant, washable fabric with a rigid rim so it docks cleanly. Ventilation is critical, especially for damp towels and gym clothes. Provide a small passive vent at the bottom of the shaft and fit a lint screen that can be removed and cleaned from the receiving side. Seal gaps at each door and use flame retardant materials for the liner or shaft as required by local building codes. People often jam chutes by overfilling or dropping large, bulky items, which causes blockages and damage. Avoid this by specifying maximum sizes and training household members to empty pockets and fold oversized items before dispatch. Another common issue is moisture and mildew from damp laundry standing in the bottom, leading to odors and mold growth. Fix this by installing passive ventilation, using removable washable liners, and emptying the receiving hamper at least every 24 hours. A third concern is lint buildup and a fire risk if the chute is not maintained. Prevent this with an accessible lint screen, periodic inspections through access panels, and by using non-combustible chute materials where codes require them. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who do chute installation and related remodels, and it also helps contractors find work in their service areas. We host a discussion community where homeowners and pros exchange tips about layouts, code considerations, and maintenance so we can all learn from real experience.